How to create a Roblox account. First, open the Roblox app or visit the Roblox website in your web browser. On the sign-up screen, tap Create Account and enter your date of birth. Then choose a unique username. Make sure it's available and easy for you to remember. Now, select your gender if you want to, although this step is optional in some regions or app versions. Once you've filled in the required information, tap or click Continue. If Roblox asks you to complete a security verification, simply follow the on-screen instructions. After your account is created, it's a good idea to add and verify your email address or phone number in the account settings. This makes it much easier to recover your account if you ever forget your password. That's it. You've successfully created a Roblox account, and you're ready to start exploring games, adding friends, and customizing your avatar. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Roblox tips, gaming tutorials, and easy tech guides.